RK Empire. It's your girl, man.
It's your girl, Kim.
And we are back with another 5 to the lot to the la la day. By the title of the video,
And seeing that thumbnail,
you guys already know what time it is. What time it is, y'all. It is time to be parents for 24 hours, y'all. So,
I don't know how I'm gonna do this.
y'all, we are getting the 2 babies today. And yes, y'all, we're gonna be a parent of 2. And we got a couple of little fun activities we planned with them.
Yeah, we got a lot of different.
But you guys already know, I don't like to do too much talking. So we just gonna get straight.
Hold on, babe. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Please turn that post notification bell if you have not. All of our social media, including our TikTok, will be down below. And now, without further ado,
Merry Christmas! Okay, y'all, so today we are going to be running a couple fun activities with the babies.
Cool stuff we gonna do with them.
We are currently at Walmart because we got to get them a little Christmas outfit.
Can they take pictures to see them too?
Yes, y'all, we didn't get to put Bella's hair appointment in the vlog. She had a hair appointment
Like what?
yeah, 2 days ago.
Yeah.
We got her hair appointment to get her hair done, so y'all will see her hair. And we're about to go get their little outfits right now because we're taking them to go take pictures with Santa. And
They're gonna look so adorable, y'all. Oh my god.
yes, you guys. And then
After that, we're gonna take y'all with us and y'all see Peace Vibe. I mean, they're babies, so like, you know what I'm saying? So like, it's gonna be like, y'all probably gonna be like, what? But y'all remember Bella from the OGs, from the back. So
yes, when we first did being parents for 24 hours, we only took Bella. And we went
we did a lot of different stuff. Walmart.
Yeah, y'all go see if y'all haven't seen that video.
I'm growing up.
But y'all, if y'all seen that video, y'all will see Bella is definitely getting older.
Right, she had a little mini me. But without further ado, we're gonna go straight into Walmart, y'all, because I'm tired.
Yes, y'all, it's early in the morning. It's like 7 in the morning. So,
and I'm pretty sure we're gonna have a clip on arguing on what outfit is the best for the kids. So stay tuned for that. And
y'all already know I come with the outfits. But you got something to say?
oh, girl.
Anyways, we just about to get into Walmart and we gonna see y'all in there. We gonna do a contest. We gonna see who can find the cutest outfit. I'm gonna take Bella, and Kim gonna take Kaden. We gonna see who can find the cutest outfit.
Y'all, for the selection, it don't look like I'm gonna find shit.
Well,
Y'all,
I got this.
Little man's gonna be dripped though.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, y'all. So, oh, they got little cute Christmas sweaters, but like that's not cute for Bella. Like, she gotta be cute. They don't got like the little tutus and nothing no more. Like, why? And then these are not cute. Like, what is she gonna do with this? No. Yeah, this might be a little harder than I thought, but that's okay. You know, we always come through. Damn. Oh, this is not cute, y'all. He's 2T. Bella's 3T. Alright, y'all.
As y'all seen me with my mom. Yo, they ain't got nothing in here. Like, I'm so confused. This boy's finna be in reindeer stuff. Look at it. It's not even a reindeer, bro. If y'all are Team Kim right now, then y'all can see how bad I am failing at this because I don't see nothing. They go ahead and get Bella this, y'all. She gonna look like the Grinch. Y'all, we wasn't even gonna do the babies like that. Ain't nothing in here that was good. Like,
it wasn't cute. It was Christmas, but it wasn't cute. And we not gonna have the babies looking like.
we's not doing any of this stuff. It doesn't look like who did it and why.
So we're about to go try Burlington. And if Burlington don't have something, I guess Ross. Okay, y'all. So, anyways, I'm sorry. We didn't want to get copyrighted. But I gotta go to Burlington. Then we're about to go to. If Burlington don't have something, I'm gonna try Ross, and that's gonna be that. Somebody gotta have
I
something.
think it's gonna be Burlington though, because Burlington don't cap me having those deals.
Yeah, they do. We having like cute. We just need a cute dress with some white stockings, and we need
some pants and a shirt for Katie.
Yes.
Boy.
That's literally it. But
Y'all been peeping though. Mama been driving, y'all. I've been kicked back, relaxing lately. My baby is growing up on me, y'all. I was there with her. She was just a little kid in the car seat, man.
Kim, hush. Y'all, it's not by choice. I told Kim she was driving, and Kim threw me the keys, and I've been driving ever since.
Yeah,
and Kim been in the passenger seat.
Knocked out, y'all. Knocked out. I'm talking about legs kicked up. Just like that. But anyways, y'all.
I don't mind driving, it's okay.
Because it's just so amazing at driving. I just told you myself. That hurt.
Yeah, we gotta go get our braces.
Yeah, cause
braces redone.
I ain't even gonna show y'all.
I said our braces redone. We gotta go get our braces tightened because
my whole wire on my top and my bottom.
y'all, it's bad. I forgot I was driving. We'll see y'all at Burlington. Okay, y'all. So we just found Bella's little coat with the little dress.
Yeah, this is gonna make me cry. Oh my god.
Y'all, it is so cute. So okay, we got Bella's outfit, so we gonna go find Caden's. But y'all,
it's so cute.
it's adorable.
It's so cute. But it has little shoes though.
I know.
Little shoes.
Okay, we gonna see y'all in a minute.
Alright, y'all, we're gonna make this quick because the music in here.
Yeah, it's copyrighted. So
this is the shirt we got with Katie, because the red. Let me see the red shirt, the jacket. Because they didn't really have nothing too fancy, but we went with like a little bow tie right here. You know what I'm saying? A little fake bow tie. So we finished. Like I told y'all, got her driving. I'm just kidding. But y'all, we finished. I don't think we should show them until like they got them on.
yeah, we're not gonna show y'all until the babies actually put the little.
Well, we showed y'all Bella's, but we're not gonna show y'all her shoes. You feel me? And Caden's, y'all, Caden is gonna look adorable along with Bella. Like their outfit is amazing.
Looks so cute, y'all.
Right. But without further ado, we are at Starbucks right now because Mama loved her little Starbucks. So
Yeah, y'all, I'm not even gonna cap. I wasn't gonna do it this morning, but when I seen Dunkin', I thought of Starbucks. Y'all, no offense, Dunkin'.
nah, cause we be eating it all the time. Don't take no offense to that, Dunkin'. We be eating and drinking it all the time.
I'm mad with Kim. I'm mad we really talk about Dunkin'.
Like we really be drinking y'all all the time. Like for real, that peppermint mocha milkshake. I mean shakes. But anyways, y'all.
Mocha shake. That's Chick-fil-A.
No, peppermint mocha, baby. The frappuccino, the cold frozen coffee.
Then you put your
Kaden.
Kaden, look. Let me see the feet. Oh, y'all look so good. Can y'all hug?
Can y'all hug?
Can y'all hug? Can y'all take a picture?
Give Sissy huggy real quick.
Give hugs.
Hug brother, Bella.
Yay! Okay, y'all. So we got the babies. Y'all, their outfits are so cute. I don't know if y'all really can see them right now, but what y'all got to say? Y'all like y'all outfits? Bella, you like your outfit? You do? Yeah, you got pretty dress. Kaden, you got on tux. And Kim cut Caden's hair. If y'all seen him before, he had curly hair. She cut it down. And Bella, can I see your hair? turn. She got a little heart. Y'all, that's what I meant by we was matching. Y'all see her little beads? She looks so cute. But yeah, y'all, we on our way to go see Santa now. We're running a little late.
A lot of late, y'all.
A lot of late. I ain't gonna cap. We're running a lot of late, y'all.
Black people time is, y'all don't look at me because mama got to see all the way up. So okay. Y'all, black people time, you mean you need to be there 2 hours early. But we overslept, okay? Y'all remember how we told y'all we was taking a nap, we overslept. And then we had to do a whole bunch of other stuff because I had to cut his hair. We had to get him, you know, it's not easy putting on stuff for babies. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's a tedious
like,
task.
And then we had baby bum on, Lord.
Oh yeah, y'all, when the baby bum, y'all, and then we just keep on giving him hella fruit snacks. And look, he wants moss.
Don't give him more moss though. Just act like you don't see him.
You want ice cream?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're about to go get ice cream, okay? Oh Lord. All right, y'all. We'll see y'all when we get to Santa. Oh, y'all want to stop now because the camera on. Y'all, look at their little shoes. I like your shoes.
The babies.
Y'all, Bella got on little heels. And Kaden got on his little loafers.
Is there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Is he Santa? You wanna go take a picture with Santa? Yeah? Kaden, you wanna go take a picture with Santa? Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, presents.
Presents? Okay.
Dinosaur toy.
You want a dinosaur toy?
Yeah.
Okay. Y'all ready to go take pictures with Santa? Go to Santa, guys. Okay. You got L-Pads.
It's not gonna last long.
Yeah. Y'all, we're going to ride the train now because they wanted to ride the train.
I beg you to.
So now we gotta go ride the train. Y'all, their pictures came out absolutely adorable. I don't know if you can see them, but they look so cute. Did y'all like your pictures with Santa? I know. Did you like seeing Santa?
Yeah.
You did? What about you, Kaden? You want to ride the train? Okay, give us just a minute when they come back, okay? Okay. Okay. Let's ride the train. Oh, oh,
It's a little tight.
oh, no.
All right.
You ready to go on a train? Yes. We're going on a train. We're on a train.
Looking like
You like it? Think we like? Y'all, we made it to Big Air. We're gonna go jump. We're about to change their outfits. And we're about to jump, you guys.
Like chicken.
Me too. Yes. So, I'm tired, y'all. But we finna jump. Pinky, ready to jump? Got your socks? Big old key.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Y'all, we in the ball pit.
Yes, sir.
Say hi, y'all. Say hi, Kijette. Oh, y'all taking the phone. Hey, we throwing them at y'all.
Oh, yeah. Y'all get some fun, too. Throw it back. Throw it back.
Y'all, Kaden found a new little girlfriend.
Look at Kijette,
Look. Look, he happy.
So I'm
Y'all,
You got tagged.
look at my nails. I broke 2 nails and I got cut up on the bull. Whatever. Y'all, I gotta go get my whole nail change. But I was trying to get a fill-in anyway, so I'm just gonna get a whole new set. It's okay. But as y'all can see, the babies are over here building. Y'all, we got Dippin' Dots. They good? It's good, Kaden? Yeah? You got Dippin' Dots? Y'all, he's so concentrated. It's yummy, Bella? You like it? Y'all, it's raining, but we're leaving. Bella, it's raining. We're leaving the jump air, big air, whatever. We about to go get something to eat because we only had ice cream. Yes, watch out, it's the car. Bella, we gotta get you in safely. Kim's car, yay. I'm sorry. Y'all, so the kids got their juice. They wanted blue juice. We're about to go to McDonald's because the kids love McDonald's, and where we were just at Big Air, they didn't really have anything for them to eat except for ice cream. So we're about to go to McDonald's and get Happy Meals, and then that pretty much sums up our day. Y'all, did y'all have fun? Kaden, did you have fun? You did? What was your favorite part?
Jump or Santa?
Jump or Santa? Jump. You had fun to jump? What about the train? Did you have fun on the train? Yeah, I forgot we even went on that. But yeah, you guys, so we're about to get some food. We'll probably show that. And then that's pretty much it.
Alright, so if y'all haven't already, like, comment, subscribe.
And yeah, did y'all have fun? Yeah? You ready to go eat? Yes. Say bye-bye. Say love y'all. Say bye-bye, Kaden. Okay, y'all. We're dropping the babies off now. They're finna go eat. We got them their little Happy Meals. But we're dropping them off, y'all. And yes. And yeah.